entirely as a supercar, the i8's efficiency is essential. Likewise with all module crossbreeds, the i8's efficiency execution relies upon whether it's working in eDrive mode or depending on its gas motor. What's new for 2019? The EPA hasn't made the 2019 i8's mileage or Evron appraisals official. However, BMW expects that battery changes will permit the i8's electric range to extend from 15 to 18 miles. 2017 BMW i8. With the turbocharged 3-barrel motor enduring the worst part of the work, the i8 is evaluated at 28 miles per gallon consolidated. That is a long way from amazing among half and halves, yet with a little motor pulling around a substantial battery pack, especially one with this much accessible push, it's not astounding. What's more, those appraisals are still superior to the consolidated evaluations of the Acura NSX, the McLaren 570S, and each kind of the Porsche 911. The Tesla Model S and its all-electric powertrain rate substantially higher, at 92 mph joined for the slightest effective model. We've formulated our own particular efficiency test trying to recreate how a great many people drive on the expressway. Our strategy involves a 200-mile out and back circle on Michigan's I-94. We keep up a GPS-confirmed 75 miles per hour and utilize the journey control however much as could be expected, mirroring the way numerous drivers carry on amid long excursions. Amid our interstate efficiency circle, the i8 scored 38 mph through the span of the drive, including 15.6 miles of unadulterated EV driving in the wake of beginning with a completely charged battery. We led the test in comfort mode, and the i8's 38 mph result places it easily at the front of the pack contrasted and equal smooth ride. Despite the fact that the Acura NSX, the McLaren 570S, and the Porsche 911 all either coordinated or bested their individual EPA evaluations, none came extremely close to the i8. The i8 tastes fuel, however, with a negligible 11.1 gallons of limit, it won't cross long roadway extents in the middle of stops. We evaluate 420 miles of driving extent, a respectable separation, yet shorter than the stretches that can be overseen by the McLaren 570S and the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S.